Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2020 389 Ultracab Daycab to show you. It's equipped with the X15 Cummins, 13-speed, full lockers, and a 2-line wet kit. We've got 325,000 miles on it. I've got it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Really clean the engine compartment. It looks black in the pictures, probably in the video, but it's got a reddish metallic paint code called black red. Really cool whenever the sun hits it though. Catch that color just right there. There it is. Truck's straight overall. It's got a straight right there on this fender. It's not cracked, but it's bucked out just a little bit in a couple spots. Nice and clean on the inside. Love the Ultracab aspect of it. Gives you that extra room. Nice matching leather seats. It's in the 13-speed and lockers there. Full gauges. 325 on the clock. Great hours to go with it. Low side oil pressure is good. Really good. Jumps up there. Super smooth. Jumps up like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also text me, or you can text me at that number. You can also reach me, Joey at truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.